Today in tech, Anthropic faces export limits, Google leaks phone cooling, Gemini 3.5 release date, and Android 17 is officially here. Let's dive in. First up, Anthropic's next-gen model is grounded. Leaks reveal that Fable 5 is stuck under government export controls in Washington.
Washington officials are holding up exports, worried about high-level reasoning capabilities landing in restricted regions. For you, this means delay on Anthropic's best model. But for tech giants, it's a reminder that government checks are very real. Verdict: developing. Political borders are hitting the cloud, and Anthropic developers are scrambling to negotiate. Next, Google is keeping things cool. Leaks reveal that the Tensor G6 chip focuses heavily on thermal management. Google is redesigning the Pixel 11 chip so it stops acting like a pocket heater during hot summer days. This means your battery will last longer, and your phone won't throttle during gaming or recording video. Verdict: real. Pixels are famous for heating up. And Google is finally fixing their biggest bottleneck. Moving on, Gemini 3.5 Pro has a launch date. Rumors say Google is dropping it on June 30th. Desperate to challenge Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Google is rushing this upgrade to keep developers in their ecosystem. This means your coding and analytical tools will get a massive speed and quality boost in 2 weeks. Verdict: highly likely. Google cannot afford to lose the AI reasoning war, so expect a big announcement. Finally, Android 17 is officially out. Google has released the source code and first developer builds. It introduces deep AI features that promise to upgrade your device, but early beta code is highly unstable. Verdict: confirmed. Google is moving fast, but do not install the beta unless you want a bricked phone. So that's your tech roundup. Anthropic grounded, cooler pixels, Gemini's launch, and Android 17. Send this to the friend whose phone always runs out of charge by noon. Follow Azahar Labs for daily tech briefs.